Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Salmon2, and today, as you can probably see from the title, we're going to be doing the Fishing Only Challenge in Chapter 2, Season 5. I've been doing this challenge for 5 seasons, and I've won in all 5. Actually, I think I lost last season, but we're going to try and get a win this season, hopefully, because there's 2 new fish that they added to the game, the Rift Fish and the 0-point fish. One of them is literally a Rift to Go, the other one gives you the 0-point crystal effect. Now, if you guys are out on the channel, hit the subscribe, like, and the bell. There's only 74% of you that actually watch my videos aren't subscribed, so hit that little boy. You can always unsubscribe if you don't want to later. And yeah, let's get into it. Alright, well, it seems like Fortnite, the gods of Fortnite really know what I'm doing right now, the challenge I'm playing. So we got another Slurpee drop, so hopefully we can get the dub this round. Wasn't a first round victory, but that's okay. Let's see, we're gonna drop down, I think we'll drop down the same place. There's a ton of fishing spots right here. So good. Hopefully we can get a tack instead of a charge this game. That would be super good. But if not, we can still run the charge. It's not a bad gun, I just don't like it too much. Oh, look at that. We got attack. Let's go. Ooh, we got the Rift Fish. The other new fish they added. Lovely. Let's just do that. And that. But we have a gun, and that's all that matters right now. A 0-point fish. No, that's not the place I want to fish. Another tack shotgun, eh? Alright. Oh. Hey, bud. Oh my god! I just got a legendary tack! Jeez. Alright, Fortnite, we get it. You really want me to have a tack shotgun this game, eh? I'll take it. Thank you. Jeez. Alright, I'm not complaining. That's really good. Still don't have any other weapon, though, which is interesting. Hopefully we can get a weapon soon, though. Oh, God. The floppers. The thermals. Oh, my God. Getting so much fish right now. I need an AR or a sniper. Other one's fine. Another Rift Fish. And yes, you can still do that with the Rift Fish. Let's go get some kills. I think we'll carry the shield fish for now, because honestly we have more. We're gonna Rift Fish onto this guy. Because he has height right now, and I don't like that. Alright, I'm just gonna go right to this guy. Sorry, buddy. This is my town. Alright. Dude, the Rift Fish is good. Alright. Let's keep fishing on and try and get another weapon. Oh my god, the purple charge? Jeez. They gave... You know what's funny? Fortnite gave me another weapon. They didn't give me the weapon I wanted. Oh my god, jeez. What is this? luckiest fishing loot I've ever gotten. That is not an understatement. A charge and attack, both purple. Plus I've gotten multiple blue tacks and I got the legendary one. So I'm telling you, Fortnite's listening to me. There's people at Epic Games listening to me right now. They're like, alright, we'll give him the pistol. Oh, and we'll give him the AR. Alright, thank you. That's what I was needing. Is that a rift fish? That is a rift fish. Alright, I think we're gonna take this. I don't know if we want the pistol. Actually, I think we'll take the pistol. Or no, we'll take the rift fish instead. This will be the loadout. I don't think we need the fishing rod. Oh, actually, there's a little bit more spots. I might as well fish it. So, let's just do this real quick, and then we're going to go and find some people to eliminate. I got my loot. Right there. Oh my god, dude. Jesus Christ. He had a dragon breath. That was scary. Oh, this gun, that gun is scary. The dragon breath, I'll tell you. Oh god. That's how we get him. Watch this, watch this, watch this. Oh my god, he's one. Oh my god. Right there, right there, right there. Oh my god, he was so low. Alright, we'll take the med kit. This is a build battle. GG's, my friend. Jesus, that was so scuffed. That took so long. I wasted so much mats. There's only 4 people left, so... Oh, right there. There's a guy coming toward me. So there's 2 people here, I think. Drink the big pot. 2 people. Okay. One's down. I have no AR bullets. This guy there? No, I don't have his loot, right? Oh, great. Let's go! Oh my god. Let's go. How many elims is that? 8 elims? Fishing only challenge. We did it. What a stressed ending that was. Oh my god. If you guys are out on the channel, hit the subscribe, like button, the bell for my sanity, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.